On this video, I'll be sharing the fastest way to grow on YouTube, like the fastest way to get more watch hours, more subscribers, and more views here on YouTube. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. There is a basic way that YouTube operates. Once you've been able to do all the necessary things that you need to do and provide all the metadata for the YouTube algorithm, it's going to help you to totally understand what your channel is all about, leading to better views on that your YouTube channel. So in order for you to start all this, I will advise that you start with the basic settings in your YouTube studio. And in order for me to explain further, I'm going to be switching to my PC that you can see right now, so I can dive into my YouTube studio and show you guys what I'm talking about. Another thing is that on this video, you might see some settings that you already know about. So all you have to do, just keep watching, and I can assure you that you are going to see at least one or two settings that you do not know about on this video, and then you apply it to your channel so you can see better results on that your YouTube channel. Once in your YouTube studio dashboard, all you have to do is go to your settings, and then once you get here, you are going to see channel. Click on it. Then you see basic info. Below your basic info, you see your keywords, and if you use this section correctly, you'll be able to get better results on your YouTube channel. So the right way, or rather the correct way to use this section, is to start by adding a lot of words, or rather keywords, that relate to what your channel is all about and the videos that the type of videos that you upload. So make sure that you fill in a lot of words that relate to your videos and your channel in here. That's the first thing you need to do. And then the second thing that you need to do is go ahead and add a lot of names of different content creators that are in your niche, like popular and successful creators in your niche. Add their name also in here at the bottom, and you can see it in here on mine. So that's what you need to do. So it's the combination of words that are similar to your channel and names of successful creators in here, because this is going to help YouTube to understand what your channel is all about, and also understand similar creators like you that are in here on YouTube. So that's the correct way to actually do this. Now another thing is that you can actually use ChatGPT to create all this, like all these keywords that you see in here in mine. So if you don't know what keywords to add, you can use ChatGPT for that real quick. Then once you are done in here, you can see feature eligibility. Click on that and make sure that you enable everything that is here, and verify your channel. It is actually very important, because this is actually going to unlock a lot of YouTube feature. So it's actually very super important that you enable every single thing that is in here. You can see that I've done that on mine. So once you are done here, the next thing that you need to do is to leave your settings, and then you can see in here, once you scroll down, you are going to see customization. So click on customization, and this is going to take you in here to your profile page. So once you get to your profile page, all you have to do is just scroll down till you see your channel description. So you can see my channel description right now. So what you have to do in your own is that add a lot of keywords that relate to what your channel is all about. That's actually more like you are upgrading your channel description. So if you are to read my channel description right now, you see that mine is filled with a lot of keywords that actually describe the kind of videos that I upload here on YouTube. So make sure that you do exactly this on your YouTube channel description as well. If you don't know what to add here, or you don't know what kind of keywords to add here, ChatGPT can actually do the job for you. So once you've done this, it's going to actually also help you to understand what your channel and your videos is all about, leading to better views for that your YouTube channel. Now the next step have to do with optimizing your videos correctly, so that YouTube will understand what your videos are all about, leading to your videos showing up in search results. So my advice to YouTubers is that when you want to optimize your YouTube videos, you should actually use ChatGPT to get a very good description. So ChatGPT is very easy to use. So you can just go to the website and you use ChatGPT. So you can actually use this to get a very good description to use for your video. A description filled with a lot of keywords. And apart from that, make sure that you are using tags and you're also using hashtags, because these things are very important. And if you want to go further ahead to learn more stuff that you can be using on your videos, you can do what is called idea farming. You can go on your YouTube feed. Let me go to my YouTube feed real quick. You can go to your YouTube feed, and then once you get there, you'll be able to see a lot of creators in here on YouTube. And what you'll be doing, be checking their videos, observe the way that they are doing their stuff, the way they are doing their description, the hashtag that they are using, stuff like that. And learn from them, and then be using all their ideas to be making your videos and optimizing your videos. And what this is going to do is that it's going to give you a better result on your YouTube channel, because the more YouTube is understanding your videos is the more your videos will be popping up in search results and also popping up in the home feed section, leading to better views on your YouTube channel. Now, apart from everything that I've said on this video, make sure that you are always uploading valuable content and also evergreen content on that your YouTube channel. And I can assure you that doing those two at the same time is going to lead to better results on your YouTube channel sooner or later. And also, if you are watching this video and you haven't smashed that subscribe button yet, I would advise that you smash that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel, because that is actually going to help me as a YouTube creator, and also it's going to help me on my YouTube growth journey. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.